If you want a super portable, quiet, and travel-ready drying solution, the Portable Compact Clothes Dryer, Global Voltage, for module design, is built for convenience first, and surprisingly solid performance for its size. Right away, the biggest standout is the global voltage support, 100-240V. That means you can use it almost anywhere in the world without worrying about compatibility. Perfect for travel, business trips, or moving between countries. The 4 drying modules are what make it more efficient than basic mini dryers. Instead of uneven heat, it distributes warm air evenly, helping clothes dry faster and more consistently, even in compact setups. Another major highlight is how quiet it is. At around 36 decibels, it's quiet enough to run overnight or in shared spaces like dorms without disturbing sleep. In terms of capacity, it can handle around 6 to 10 lightweight garments at once, which is ideal for daily essentials like shirts, socks, or undergarments. The design is also very practical. It's lightweight, under 1 kilogram, foldable, and easy to pack, so it fits easily into luggage or a small corner of your room. Setup is simple. Plug it in, hang your clothes, and let it run. In real-world use, this type of dryer works best for travel and hotel stays, small apartments or dorms, rainy or humid climates, quick overnight drying. Just keep expectations realistic. It's not meant for heavy items like jeans or blankets, and drying times can be longer for thicker fabrics. Overall, this is a highly convenient, quiet, and travel-friendly dryer that solves a very specific problem: drying small loads anytime, anywhere without needing a full machine. Click the link below for the best price.